Want to start earning online in Ethiopia with no job, no degree, and no experience? What if I told you AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva can help you start today, using just your phone? Stay with me. I'll show you 5 simple ways to use free AI tools to make money online in 2025. Number 1. Make money with ChatGPT. Write blog posts, product descriptions, even ebooks using simple prompts. Then sell them on Fiverr, Workana, or Telegram business channels. Oh, and here's a tip. Use ChatGPT to translate content into Amharic or English and increase your value. Number 2. Use Canva to design logos, flyers, social media posts, or even YouTube thumbnails. Even if you have no design skills, Canva makes it easy with templates. Sell your services on Fiverr or promote on Telegram. You can even make Amharic quote posts for clients or businesses. Alright, number 3. Use AI voice generators like ElevenLabs to create high-quality voiceovers without recording your own voice. You can use this for YouTube channels, TikTok storytelling, or even Amharic motivational videos. And hey, once you get the hang of it, you can monetize the channel or get paid per voice gig. Moving on to number 4. Help others with resume writing or job proposals using ChatGPT. You don't need to be an expert. Just copy prompts, paste info, and deliver great-looking documents. Many Ethiopians are applying for remote jobs, scholarships, and grants, and they really need help crafting professional English. Now for number 5, start a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. Use ChatGPT to write the script, Canva to create visuals, CapCut to edit videos, and ElevenLabs or TTS for voice. Just post Amharic quotes, storytelling, or top 5s, and earn through YouTube ads and affiliate links. Here's the thing, you don't need money to start, you don't need to show your face, you just need Wi-Fi and hustle. If you like this video, drop a Dozo in the comments and subscribe for more real hustles in Ethiopia. See you in the next one. And remember, AI isn't taking jobs, it's creating opportunities.